Hello friends, welcome to Racking Brains. In today's video, we are going to start our new React series. So let's start. In our previous video, we have explained that how to install React Node and things. So today I'm just going to tell you one more time. Just open the folder and go to that particular terminal with that folder path, or if you normally use the command prompt, just type cd and go to that particular folder where you want to install the React. Then do npx react react app, then the app name. In my case, app name is Racking Brains. Then press enter. Simply I'm not doing it again because I just installed it, and so that's why I'm just doing it. Racking Brains and npm start. I just do it because it saves time, otherwise it will take more time to install the React at the same time, so video will be longer, that's why. So let's start the application, and it is application is running in localhost 3000. And if you go to the VS Code, you can see there is the index.js file which is importing the app component and running it into the root, right? So in app.js, you can see that there is the header and things. I'm just removing the existing things, removing the import, delete, then delete all css. I'm just saving it. Okay, let's check. Hopefully it will come as blank. Now I will explain you what is the React is a framework developed by Facebook, and it is nowadays the most popular framework of web. So now I am going to explain what is the DOM. DOM is basically a JavaScript object module, document object module, which holds every total HTML elements in a tree format. And but React is working with virtual DOM. Virtual DOM is nothing but it takes do everything virtually. Means it takes a copy of the actual DOM and then operated on it. It is more faster to execute. That's why React is so faster, and its data flow is one direction, means from top to bottom level, right? So let's go ahead and create our components. Just like, what is components? Components is the building blocks, means if you are working with the whole project, so component are the different sections. You can create it separately, and you can reuse it where it is required. So that's why if you create multiple components, means sections into separate modules, so it will be easier to write the code. Also it will be reusable, and application will be much faster and scalable, right? So let's start. In our web application, the basic things I will do. What components is required? It is header and footer. Okay, so I am writing components. I'm creating a folder called components, then inside that header dot js, then footer dot js. For component, we need to keep the naming convention as camel case, right? So what will be here? In header, I will do simply nothing but a function. So there are two types of component. One is class component and one is functional component, but nowadays class component is rarely used, so I'm focusing on functional component now. Let's write is6 function, means arrow function. You can do the write the normal function as well, it will work, but I'm writing arrow function now. Header equal to function, then I'm returning h1. I am at header. Header. Okay. Now let's check how easy React is. Just nothing to do. Just export it. Export default header. Okay. Nothing to do. I just create a function and just export it. In ES6 you can see the same thing we did previously. Here we'll do nothing but it's much easier. Just import it. Import header. Import header from component, then header. So just use it as an JSX element. So that much of easy to write a component in React.js, right? I'm at header, right? So now I am doing the same things in the footer. Similarly, const footer, camel case, it will be footer, sorry, f double here equal to function, then simply h2 I am at footer. Okay, now let's check. It is returning an HTML. That is the funda of JSX. What is JSX? It is the JavaScript XML. It is returning the HTML object and using as a component. So it's too easy. Sorry, not control C. It's too easy to use the components. Export default footer. So similarly, I'll do import, sorry, import footer from footer. Similarly, we will do XML tag footer and I am at footer. So that is so much easy to write the component. So it is the basic start, and I think hopefully you will like that video, and it's quite easy to learn for you. So for the first day, that's it. Please subscribe our channel and like the videos and share the videos to reach out for multiple persons. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Hope you will be joined in the next video.